Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Lincoln MKZ into neutral. First, make sure your vehicle has power, even if it requires a jump start, and turn the ignition on. Then, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. This is a critical safety step before attempting to shift gears. Keeping your foot on the brake prevents unintended movement as you proceed with the next steps. Next, you'll need to find the manual neutral release point. Look inside your center console, specifically within the storage compartment. You should see a small, circular access hole. This tiny opening is typically situated close to the USB charging port or the auxiliary power outlet. It's designed for emergency situations when the standard button shifter might not be responsive. Now take a small, pointed object, such as a Phillips head screwdriver or even a car key. Carefully insert this tool into the access hole you just located. While maintaining inward pressure on the tool, simultaneously press the N button on your vehicle's push-button shifter. You should feel a click, and the N indicator will illuminate, confirming the vehicle is now in neutral. Finally, remember these crucial safety tips. Once your vehicle is in neutral, it can roll freely, so always ensure it is secure before releasing the brake pedal. This manual neutral engagement is primarily for situations like towing, moving a vehicle with a dead battery, or during a car wash. Always exercise caution and be aware of your surroundings when the vehicle is in neutral.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.